Peep. When they say these peeps, I don't understand what that peeps actually mean.
Okay.
But
Yeah, let me quickly correct this thing.
okay.
Supply and demand. Supply is always on the ceiling, right? Yes, I made a mistake here. Yes, and demand is always here at the
On
bottom.
the bottom. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So looking at this thing now, I'm coming, Femi. Looking at
Mhm.
this thing now, we're on daily time frame. Okay. This
Yes.
thing, this kind of thing, sometimes I don't even need to go to narrow it down anymore, right? Because I already see this structure so many times. I already know what I'm looking for, right? So on this daily time frame now is making sense, very, very sense. So why is it supply zone? Supply is that there's a touch here, there's a two touch here, which showing double bottom, which showing double top. You're gonna see this one here, and he's gonna see this one here. So since it's already touch here, touch here. Anytime it touch here, it sells. Anytime it touch here, it goes down. So it becomes
Mm.
so it's up. So it's not crossing above. So the price is not going beyond, right? So this become your resistance, like a ceiling. So anytime you touch here, ceiling, resistance also can, supply, but there's a difference between resistance and the supply and support and the demand, right? So these are where sellers are. Sellers are here more. So anytime you touch, price touch here, comes down, touch, come here, comes down. So it becomes my supply zone. So the same thing goes here too. You see?
Yeah.
The same thing goes here. And I'm seeing something again here. So, okay. No, no, let's stay here. Let's stay. This is a week. All right. So it touch here, price touch here, touch here, touch here, and touch here. So this is a short week. So this price refused to go down. So here became demand zone. So always know that we always buy from the demand or from the support or from the lower lows in a discount premium. We always buy from the discount premium, which is here. All right. And another confluence is that the price has broken my trend line, meaning that buyers are coming in. This is another confluence. The trend line I draw. You draw this trend line, draw this trend line. It has broken. All right. So all I do now is to narrow this thing down. All right. To look for a perfect sniper entry. How do I get a sniper perfect entry? I come to 4 hour, I look at it. I come to 4 hour. This is where SMC come in. All right. So I'll be looking for opportunity buy here. I'm looking for opportunity price to come here, come down here, buy. Let's see if we're gonna see another opportunity for buy. Uh, Don't forget this week. This week here, there's a long week here, liquidity sweep, which I don't joke with. All right. So we are looking for a perfect entry, sniper entry. Somebody join. Olu, is that you? B.
No, sorry, this is Boyd.
Oh,
No, I wasn't on mute.
yeah, yeah. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. So you're back from Mexico?
Yeah, I'm back. Thank
Welcome
you.
back.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks.
Yeah, we already have three sections, and this is the third one, and it's gonna be the last one. But I'm gonna send you
The
guys
recording.
the
Okay,
recording. Okay.
thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So we're looking for sniper entry. So like I say, I always take my entry from 15 minutes. So this is where I'll be looking for entry. All right. I'm seeing two entries here. This one and this one. Okay. So the market price can come here. We'll look for opportunity to buy, or you can come here. We'll look for opportunity to buy. Okay, so let's expect this thing and watch this week. This thing we talk about, let's see if it's gonna work or not. All right. So I have seen from the daily time frame, I have seen all the whole confirmation, the whole confluences here. So prices have broken the trend line, meaning opportunity buyers are coming in. So we are seeing double top here, double bottom here, sorry, rather showing W pattern. And we also seen a retest. Seeing this retest come down here. All right. And we also see that this is a major zone. Price always come here, goes up, comes here, and goes up. All right. So if this thing work out, it's gonna be a swing trade. Because why is it gonna be a swing trend? Because we spotted this thing out on the daily time frame, not on the 15 minutes, not on the 30 minutes. You can spot this thing out on every time frame, but if it's on the daily, weekly, monthly, 4 hour, meaning it's strong, right? So this is gonna be a swing if this thing works out. So remember what I said, whenever price come to the point of entry, what do you expect? It's gonna do AMD. Remember this. Anytime you're waiting for price, come to this is our point of entry, right? Anytime price comes here, this bearish market pullback, come down here to our sniper entry, expect, this is our point of entry, expect AMD. So you know what is AMD, right? Accumulation, manipulation. The manipulation is gonna give you a fake out, like it's gonna sell, or even try to go to your stop loss before it moves. So anytime market open, price comes to your point of entry, expect this AMD to happen. So that is why when there is panic, like, okay, is our point of entry. Why is it like if you pass that phase, that manipulation phase, then it keep on going. Like the gold happened to it on Friday, right? Then it starts shooting up. All right. So any question about the basic? Where is that guy? Yeah, this thing. You guys should study this. Study this thing is very important.
Okay.
So this one I showed you just now, can you identify it? That structure on GBP, GBP USD is this one, bullish flag. This is the one. This bullish flag. Okay. This is bullish flag. You're gonna keep identifying this bullish flag in the markets. All right. So this is bullish flag. Higher, high, higher, lower, low. Okay. Higher, higher, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, equal low, comes here, retest, then boom. At least, even if it's this thing you achieved today, at least I will be happy, you know. Yeah. So this is what the price is doing currently at this moment. All right. So always know that in the real life markets, the price is not gonna be messy. You see how disorganized it is? But now I'm gonna do it like in the textbook, the way we know. All right. So this is it. Okay. So this is it. So we're waiting for opportunity here. Okay, and this is our bullish flag pattern. It's already broken and it's already broken. Okay, so these days I don't put this thing. This thing is not necessary anymore, but with time you're gonna know that it's not necessary. But this is a flag, like this is the pole, like you're holding Nigerian flag, you're holding Canada flag or US flag. This is the pole and this is the flag. You just flagging it. Okay, that's a flag. Any questions so far? I'm gonna clear the chat. Okay, you asked question about the pips, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so what's the problem with the pips here? Okay, so this is 557 pips. All right, so the more we adjust the stop loss, the more the pips is moving. Okay, so what's the problem? What's the issue now? This is a stop loss, right? Yeah. So let's say you want to risk. Remember, this is a daily time frame. So we're on the daily time frame. What stop loss are you seeing here? This is 77 stop loss. This is 60.
Oh,
This is 60. This is 56 stop loss.
okay.
So the take profit is 55 on the top here. 55, 50, 50,
557.
Huh?
Yeah, 557.4.
Yeah. So that is your take profit. And that is what they call pips as well.
Okay.
That is pips. Yeah, 557 pips. All right, or take profits. Okay. Then stop loss is the higher the time frame, the higher the stop loss, right? So stop loss here is 66.
So pretty much the pips is the counts.
Yes. So one single candlestick pim
Is
is
a,
a pip.
is a pip. Makes
Yes.
sense.
Yes.
Makes sense. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the pip is Olu, is that you? Mariam dad. Olu? All right. So what's the question? Is it making sense? Like
Yeah,
any
yeah,
tick
I just wanted to understand it.
yeah.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
makes sense.
Any tick now, any tick is a pip. Any tick is a pip. So from here now is 557 pips, 0.4. All right. Then the stop loss is 66. Okay.
Right.
All right. But the way they count the gold is different. Gold and BTC, they are on percentage. Their pips is different, because of the high volatility they have. Yeah. So it's so see what God is doing. I've been waiting for this thing and it's broken. All right. So these are symmetric triangle you need to study as well. All right.
Is it too late to get into this gold trade? I missed it.
It's not. Just wait for pullback. All right. So
Okay.
I'm already waiting for it. Okay. So
Okay.
I'm waiting for it to pull back. But gold is so tricky. Sometimes it will not pull back. I notice most these days it doesn't pull back. It keep buying. So
Yeah.
yeah, but to be on the safe side, I'm waiting for it to come to the previous day high here.
Okay. For 169.
Yes, then it bought. All right. So next section, I'm gonna teach you guys this the previous day high, previous day low. Is part of my confluence. Anytime price comes there, is always reacting. So this is where the buyers and seller close for the week. Right? So the second candle, previous day high and previous day low. So you see that little candle, that black candle, you put it on the head, top here. So there's high volume of liquidity. This is where trader buyers and seller trade before they close. So anytime price comes here, is always price is always reacting and reacting here. It's very, very important. So it's part of something I use as a confluence. And you see all this line I'm drawing here is not a joke. These are all psychological numbers as well. All these lines you see here, all this line. So price is always reacting to that as well. So these are things also, we're gonna still learn in the next section. Okay. Just watch price always react here. It comes here react too. If you watch them, it comes here too. It's always anytime it touch this line, psychological numbers, is always reacting. All right. So, and just let me not confuse you with that. Let's just focus on the basics as well. So, what I want you guys to focus is this symmetric triangle here. So, if you spot this thing out, right, like when I saw this gold, it was here. I saw this triangle and it made triangle. It was here. So I was waiting for it to come. Right? So on a very good day, the textbook, what I teach you is the one I teach you to be on the safe side is this one. Then you retest. Retest here, then it goes. So you can see that it's already retest. That black candle there, that bearish candle is the retest. Then to be on the safe side is here. But with experience, you may not need to wait. I enter from here. I enter aggressive from the bottom. But to be on the safe side is here. Okay? Is it making sense? Yeah. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right. So this is what we are looking for now. I don't want to clear. Okay, let me use another one. Okay. You see, I'm waiting for them everywhere. Let me clear this one. All right. So when I spotted this thing at the triangle, it was here. So I went to daily time frame. I saw this one. I think around it was around Monday or Tuesday. Okay. This is what I saw. Then I put then I'm waiting for it to break. Then I usually like to take my profits here. Yeah, but I'm believing this thing gonna go more higher. Reason why? Because this is daily time frame. So daily time frame, like I told you, Frank, is always strong, right? Daily, 4 hour, weekly is always strong. All right. So let's play this thing out. So All right. So I use SMC to enter from here. Use pull my order block. Yeah.
Is order block the same thing as supply zone? Because I see that
Order block is SMC strategy. Is the same thing like support.
support. Yeah, sorry, support. I mean,
Yes. So
that's
SMC call it order block or point of entry.
okay.
So supply and demand call it
Okay.
support resistance. So all these things are just grammar, just name, but they are all
Sorry,
the same thing.
order block
Yes, it's just like this thing I'm showing you now, this higher
is
high.
entry point.
Yes, or entry point. This higher high, higher low.
Um,
You know,
and support, right?
yes. So
Support.
SMC called their own breakout structure, but they are still the same thing, higher high, higher low. So luckily for me, I will say I learned both of them. They call it
Breakout
breakout structure.
structure.
So yeah, breakout structure. All right. So, but they still the same thing with higher high. Can see some people call it higher high, higher low. They are all the same thing. All right. So if you come SMC strategy, I did. If you come to supplier resistance, I did. So the only thing I combine them, I call it almighty formula, right? Yeah. So I use SMC as to get a sniper entry. And if you want to scalp, like you want to flip $50, $100, SMC is very good. You go to 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes for scalping is good. So I learned both of them. So I combine them and I give my, call it, almighty formula. We all know almighty formula, mathematics. When you put the almighty formula together, it gives you the answer. So I combine it, I filter whatever I want to filter. I take the one I want to take. I combine my strategy. I give it almighty formula, so yeah.
So in other words, these trend lines is not as straight as we think. As long as you just get the pattern like the zigzag,
Which straight line?
that the trend line when we were drawing it, because me, what I used to do before is I usually follow the trend. I'll make sure even those ones that you omitted, I just are not strong. This thing, the way you drew the flag,
Okay, the flag, not the trend line. This is the
yes, you
trend
don't
line.
follow the line straight like that. You just draw it like a W.
Okay, you talking of this triangle?
Yes, yes. If you follow the line, it will
Yeah.
not be a W, it will be like zigzag, but the way you drew it, you drew like a W. That means you just follow, how do I put it?
Are you talking of this structure? This good now?
Yes,
Are you
yes,
talking
yes, yes.
GBP?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I'm talking about that triangle.
This triangle now?
Yes, yes.
I mean,
So this is,
you mean the wick? You touching the wick?
no, I'm talking about how you drew it.
Yeah.
Because what I used to do before was I'll be following the whole this thing up and down. I would have gotten like two W's from this, but you just drew it as one W. Like it doesn't have to be
Oh,
straight. You
okay.
get what I mean?
Those things I experienced. Like, yeah, when I started new, I was doing it like that. Okay, I got what you mean. Just like I draw it like one line like this, then draw it like this, then draw it like this. So this is an experience gonna come in with time. You're gonna know, right? Yes, with time. Yeah, yeah. I get what you mean. You used to draw it like this, small, small.
Yeah, yeah, you
Small,
got
all
it.
these things small. No, 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 no. I don't. I don't do that again. Yes, at the beginning, yes, but it's confusing. So this
Yeah,
is just yes, this is just a lower high here. Lower low here, lower high, lower low. Then you make equal low here, then retest. Then I'm looking for opportunity to buy.
So which one is fair value gap? Fair value gap.
Yeah, that's the SMC. All right. So you want to combine two strategy now. Okay. Fair value gap is imbalance, right? So those are smart money concepts, strategy.
Okay.
Yes, I learned smart money concept and I learned price action. This one I'm teaching you now, supply and demand, right? So I follow the one I like that gives me money, which is this one, the wedge pattern, triangle pattern, which is supply and demand. And also, and I use smart money concept to get a sniper entry, or I want to flip $50, $100. But we are not studying smart money concepts now.
Okay.
I only use it as entry only. So fair value gap, to answer your question, don't let it confuse you. Like I told Femi, trading, don't complicate it. Trading supposed to be simple. Like I know that kind of mentality back home we have. I'm trying to change it. We believe that when we suffer, when things are hard, or when we're telling somebody, maybe I came from a poor background family, I didn't born from silver spoon, like I carry wheelbarrow, like it makes us back home, it makes us feel like we are strong. So that kind of mindset, we use it to come to the trading, thinking that trading need to be complicated. If you see somebody draw here, draw here, draw here, you call all those big grammar name, then that means this trading is working. No, it's not like that in trading. We don't need to complicate issue in trading. You have to keep it simple. Clear your charts, make everything simple. Right? So coming to fair value gap, I know what is fair value gap, but I will say ignore it for now. Fair value gap is just simply like that, like just say in a layman definition, a change, right? Let's say you buy something, right? And you need to come back and collect your change back, which is imbalance. So there's a gap between that. There's a change. You buy something and you come back and collect. That is imbalance. That is fair value gap. Is the same thing with imbalance, right?
Because I won't lie to you. That fair value gap used to confuse me a lot. But I like this price action even better because it's very straightforward. Just follow the pattern of the action, what do you call it? The pattern the price is taking, like all these drawings, like the flags, it goes to a place, you test, you know that it's going to go to the next place, then you pick your price. This one is more, it's simpler and less complicated than all those other block and all this. Surely comes on top of, is it other block that they call it? Yeah.
Yes. So this is SMC strategy. This fair value gap is that this price will come back. There's a gap here, right? It must always come back to fill up the gap, collect its change. Price is making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, but there's a gap here. So it will come back one day to come back and collect. Oh, I remember my change. This is how you put it. Just simple. Let me just come and fill up this gap and collect my change. And he come back here and he buys. And it's good for 15 minutes time frame and this thing for scalping, to flip it.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So this is fair value gap, and this is your point of entry. This is your point of entry where you're waiting to buy, right? So you see price shooting up, higher high, higher low, but there's a gap here, and you need to complete that gap. So you come back here. Anytime you come back here, just close your eyes and buy. There's nothing you can do. It's not going down. If you keep on buying, you come down here, close your eyes. So this thing is also with experience, right? Come down, there's no shaking, just buy. The only thing it can do is just do manipulation, give you liquidity sweep to collect a stop loss hunt, and you buy. It must surely buy. All right. I follow the market. I'm not the one that push the market. Like, or nobody will say 100%, but with experience, that confidence will be there for you. Like, you know, the way I'm talking with confidence. I have back tested. I have cried for this kind of setup. I know what I'm talking about, but not 100%. Anything can happen in the market, but you know, at least 70% is gonna buy when there is a fair value gap here. All right, we have 10 minutes left. I just need you guys to throw me a question where you're struggling, any problem, you know, so any place you having problem, any place you facing challenge.
I just have one quick question. So like this other SMC in general, is there like the specific pairs that it works with the most, so it cuts across all the pairs?
It works all the pairs, even stock, even
Okay.
it's even good for stocks and crypto. It works in every pair. It doesn't have any particular pair. It works in every pair.
And they all do all this triangle pattern and everything too as well.
Yes, it works in every pair. Yeah. All of them. Whatever I'm teaching here works in every pair. Before I come into Forex, I already tried stock. I was doing stock because Canadian people like stock more. So I was doing stock. I was using all those triangle patterns before coming here. It works, you know, it works in BTC, it works in Forex, you know. Yeah. So this thing, I'm gonna sending you the video. So you're gonna put this thing, know it off head. Okay. And I haven't finished also. There's one also if time permits, you know, inverse head and shoulder as well. You know, there's a lot of them. So this one is inverse head and shoulder as well. All right. Okay. So this one is also head and shoulder pattern. So carry these things in mind. Yeah, all these things in mind. It's also in YouTube. You need to cram it. These are basics. You need to know basic. So by the time we're going fast, then you're gonna be spotting this thing out in the market. All right. So I'm gonna clear it. We have few minutes left. Any question as I'm drawing them? Okay. So this is symmetry triangle. That symmetry triangle is what I use to catch gold and silver on the daily time frame. Yeah. So you wait for it to break. Then we'll buy. This is symmetric triangle.
So if you use symmetric triangle to catch gold and silver mostly, which one catches BTC mostly?
I don't know. It's only when you spot it out. Like, what did you ask me now? You spot out ranging, right? You spot out on 15 minutes. So I'm not the market maker. I'm not the one. If I go into BTC, GBP, I see it's ranging straight. I just mark it out. With time, you're gonna be using that your spiritual eye to be seeing those spiritual price actions there. Yeah.
Okay.
So remember what you asked me. You spot out a range, right? In 15 minutes in BTC. Okay, that it was ranging like this. Yeah, so whatever you see in the market is what you follow. So if you give me wedge pattern, I follow wedge pattern. If you give me triangle, symmetric triangle, I follow symmetric triangle. Whatever it gives, you know. So whatever it gives is what we follow. All right. So this was the first section, the one I did. All right. So everything is recorded. I'm gonna still send it to you. I need question where you struggling. Why are you not making money? What's the problem? Talk to me. Tell me question, really. Well, tell me, Mike, this one I'm making money. This one my money goes. All those kind of thing. I need question. 3 minutes go. You know, yeah. So these are symmetric triangles. So we have this symmetric triangle. We have three. The one that facing straight, the one that point down, and there's another one also that points up. Gonna kill you, no space.
Ever since I blew two or three accounts,
Yeah,
it's
man.
very hard to just stake high, or even when I'm about to even enter any trade. I
Yeah.
will hold, I will just do like 0.01 or something. And then if it now goes up, you see good bullish in that one, I
Yeah.
still won't have enough because I didn't put in much. I didn't put in enough leverage, scared of what if it goes down and all that stuff. But what I do now is at all, I'm still trying to take away something. So when I see a bullish well,
Good.
I move my stop loss right above my entry point.
That's trailing, yeah.
Yeah, I move it up, I move it over it, and then I know that even if it's going to go down now,
Yeah.
it's not going to go down to what I entered with.
Yeah.
I will still have something to take home with, and then it keeps going up. If I see it go higher again, I move that stop loss, I'll move it up again. That's the way I do it now, really, and it's been working. So even if I
Please
said,
teach us that trailing.
huh?
That trailing.
Yeah.
The trading is simple, okay? He already said it. It's just you bring out this guy now. This is your position size.
Okay. Yeah, go on.
And you put your stop loss and take profits. This one is too long. And you're making money.
The change went, I'm still thankful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you still making money, right? So
Yeah.
when you know that you're making money, you come here and close break even. So even if market now say, okay, I want to put that. Now he already saved some dollars, right? He already pushed this thing now, stop loss to break even. So let's say he's here now. Okay, he's already make $1,000. That this guy now shoot, boom, it will stop here. Okay? He will
Correct.
still
Yeah.
make some money. Then he will not go to his stop loss to lose. Right? So that 1,000 he make now, he may end up making 500 at least. Is something he's seeing change at all.